How to enable Bitcoin on Cash App. Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure to enable Bitcoin on Cash App. So here what you need to do is to enable a Bitcoin on Cash App. You first need to open the app and then go to the Bitcoin tab. So all you need is open the app, click on the Bitcoin icon right at the bottom. Next, what you need to do is follow the prompt to complete the identity verification by submitting your name, date of birth, and a valid ID as well. Now, it's going to take a while in order to verify your ID, so you have to be patient enough. And once once your ID has been verified, the Bitcoin feature will be activated on your account. Then you could just refresh it and you could find these enable Bitcoin options on your device. You could just go ahead and toggle the button, and that is how you will be able to enable Bitcoin on Cash App. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.